What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this all new Esddi 18-inch outer diameter dimmable SMD LED ring light, which is a fantastic if you are new starter on a YouTube, wanted to have a competitive price lighting solution. This ring light is capable to deliver 32,000 Kelvin to 56,000 Kelvin with adjustable color temperature. Now this ring light also includes one sturdy and lightweight stand along with the phone adapter, which makes it suitable for studio lighting, YouTube, vlogging or selfie if you want to. Now on my channel I tend to go extra mile and provide more detail about the products like features and how it works. And by the end of this video you will have an idea is this product for you or not. If it's something you are looking for, well, sit back, click onto the like button and subscribe and enjoy this video. So let's get into the features. Now this ring light comes with the SMD LED matrix, which provides a decent light around the subject while reducing the harsh shadows. It also adds the beautiful hollow light effect to the shooting subject eyes. Now for the accurate control of this ring light, you have a dimming range from 10 to 100% and a color temperature from 32,000 Kelvin to 56,000 Kelvin. Adjust easily with the knob, no need to install extra filters. Now this ring light comes with the cold shoe adapter capable with the most of the 55 to 58 wide smartphones, DSLRs or even makeup mirrors, which make this ring light ideal for the makeup, micro shooting, YouTube videos and much more. Now about the stand which I mentioned in the beginning of this video. This ring light comes with the 6 feet maximum height light stand with the 180-degree tilt. Now in terms of specification, this ring light comes with the 432 pieces of SMD LED light with a lifespan of 50,000 hours with outer diameter of 18-inch and inner 9-inch. You can connect a direct power supply of 100 to 210. You don't need to provide any adapter whatsoever with the output of 45 watt. Now the ring light throws altogether about 4,000 lumens of light, which is not bad at all. Now let's just start with the demonstration where I made very short videos just to show you what are the effect of this ring light, which will give you an idea that will it improve your work or not. I'm not a model guys, but I'm trying my level best here. This video recording is with very minimum lighting, a standard room light and the monitor light from the background. That's it. Now let me turn on the ring light. Now the light intensity is set to 100% and the color setting is a 56,000, which is a cool white. And you can see that I'm not looking into the image myself, but I think it will be pretty decent to be honest with you. 50% of light intensity with the color setting of a 56,000 Kelvin. Now ring light is set to 100% intensity with the 32,000 color setting, which will give you an idea that it's a bit of yellowish effect around me. Now the same color setting with the intensity of 50%. Well, I hope I have explained everything possible of this ring light to you guys. If you would like to purchase this ring light, link is available in the video description, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below too. I'll be happy to help you and answer any of your queries. On that note guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.